Hi, I am Ashutosh Kale, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Engineering, Institute of Engineering, Bhujbal Knowledge City, Nasik. I welcome you all to this course introduction session. We are discussing here software testing and quality assurance, which is a final year subject. Let us understand what are the prerequisites we require. For this course, we require software engineering and project management and software modeling and design. Also, we have the companion course for this is laboratory practice 2, that is STQA part. We have many projects in this. Let us understand course outcome. On the completion of the course, student will be able to describe fundamental concept in software testing such as manual testing, automation testing and software quality assurance. Design and develop project test plan, design test cases, test data and conduct test operations. Apply recent automation tools for various software testing for testing the software. Apply different approaches of quality management, assurance and quality standards to software system. Apply and analyze effectiveness of the software quality tools. These are the course outcome we are having for this course. Understanding towards course content. Unit number 1, we have the introduction to quality. We have a software and the software needs a quality. So discussion related to quality we are having in the introduction to quality. On the unit number 2, we have test planning and management. To check our software for any kind of defects, bugs, we require to design a test plan accordingly and to manage the test cases accordingly. So in the unit number 2, we have the test planning and management of it. In the unit number 3, that is software test automation. In this tool, we are checking what are the different automation techniques we are having and to know better of this automation testing. In the unit number 4, we have the automation tool to be discussion is an Selenium tool. Selenium tool is one of the most popular tool in the industry to check as an software related testing. In the unit number 5, we have the quality management. For any software that we require to get the quality product, so to have the quality of your software, we require to manage your quality as an parameter. Unit number 6, we have software quality tools. In this case, we have total quality management we require to adopt for any software, product quality metrics we are having, and the process of this quality metrics we need to define. Software maintenance, then we have different diagrams, histograms, run charts, scatter diagram and control charts accordingly. So based on this we can get the quality or we can get the parameter to be checked accordingly with the quality tools. We have defect removal, effectiveness and the process maturity level also to get the particular software to be a better one. This much of the contents we are having for software development and quality assurance. Thank you.